For 1/4 inch piecing, of course you could shorten your stitch length and move your needle over, but there's a much better way. Let's go over here into decorative, then to quilting, then choose 1/4 inch piecing, and it shows you which foot to use right here, the O foot. Now it shows the O foot that has the guide on the side. I really like that, but some people like it without the guide. You have one of these feet also in your accessories. Let's change the foot. There's also another way, and we could go into this applications with a little t-shirt here, and then choose the quilting tab right here and choose piecing. That's also 3 button pushes, and it puts us right into that 1/4 inch. Now you can also change these to make a favorite stitch. For instance, if you wanted 2 for your length, 2.0 for your length, you could change that, make it longer, and save that as a favorite stitch if you wanted to. So I'm going to keep it at default for right now. I like to have the floating function on because that means when the needle stops, the needle is going to be down like that, which makes it really nice for starting right at the edge of your fabric. So let's get started here. Now where I'm watching on this is the edge of the fabric right next to the guide there. And you can see when it stopped, it lifted up the foot. I'll slow down as I get towards the end because I want to stop with the needle in the fabric about 1 stitch away. I'm going to do the same size of seam. So I'm going to push OK right there. And I put my next patch right up to the previous patch. And then all I need to do is start sewing and the foot goes down by itself. Now I still have my foot down on the pedal, but it's slowing down. Now for the next patch, you can just put that right up to the previous patch and start sewing. You don't need to push anything on the screen. So for memorizing your same seam length, you need to be in the applications mode. We go over here to quilt, and then we choose quilt piecing. So in this one, we will be able to memorize the piecing length. And as you can see, it's an efficient way to do a lot of seams on your quilt piecing. Then all you need to do is cut them apart. Like that. We have several other videos on this machine. If you've enjoyed this video, give us a like. And if you have comments, questions, or ideas for other videos you'd like to see, let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.